Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For everyone that is new, my name is C. So today I just decided let's do a vanity declutter. Now I have so much makeup, I have so many different products. I even have products that I haven't even used yet. And at this point I just need to make room. I need to clean out, I need to reorganize. So I just thought I'd just go ahead and do a video. Start with this first drawer. So this is pretty much like my lashes, primers, eyebrow products, you know, different eye tools. So we gonna try to organize this a little more better because right now it's just looking like all over the place. Okay, y'all, so this is how the drawer is looking. So this is what it's looking like, and I like to make sure that the drawer is closed. So let's go to the next drawer. And this bad boy is so packed. So in here I got powders, I have bronzers, face powder, eyeliner, mascara that I know I need to go through because a lot of that stuff in there is old, blush, powder contour, cream contour. this is what the drawer is looking like. You can see the difference, and I just stacked them up versus just lining them up, which will let me really just see everything on this front. So let's move on to foundation and concealer and highlight. You guys, I have so much stuff in here to declutter, like it's just ridiculous.
Go blah.
30 hertz straight up.
Go blah.
30 hertz straight up.
Go blah.
30 hertz straight up.
So guys, I have so many lip products, just so many stuff that I just go to the same lip gloss all the time, go to the same lipstick all the time. So at this point, it's time to just get rid of this stuff. Down here is nothing but like hair products and things like that, so we not even gonna get into that. Guys, that was a lot of stuff to go through, but it definitely gave me more space, and just to be, I can see everything now. I can see all the stuff that I want to use, so I'm glad I did this. Now on the other side, it's pretty much like eyeshadow palettes and things like that, so we're gonna get into that at another time, or maybe later today I'll film part 2. But yeah, part 1 is complete. Now the top of this dresser looks terrible, so we're gonna get into that a little later as well. But if you guys have any better way that I can organize my makeup, any other tools like acrylic crates or anything like that, let me know and drop that in the comments below. Again, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.